Hi, and welcome back to
Skirt Squad. And today is another Skirt Squad challenge, and this one is
cleaning the pantry in a skirt or a dress.
Yep, so that's what we're going to be doing today. We decided to film this because we know a lot of people like to do some like cleaning before the holidays or after the holidays or whatever. So we decided to do this one. So we hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's see if we can do it. Yep.
Well, there you have it. You can clean a pantry in a skirt or a dress.
You can. So let us know down below if you do it in a skirt or a dress or not. And then you could go check out our other cleaning videos we have that we do in a skirts and dresses and a bunch of other type of videos too. And we hope you guys subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it helps us out. So thank you and God bless.
See you guys next time.
Bye.